Welcome to Smart Showcase for Google Reviews Pro. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of how the Review Reply feature works. Let's get started. Go to the Review section where you can see all the reviews fetched. Click on any review to view detailed information about that reviewer. Here, you'll find the reviewer's details like GMB account, review name, publish date, content, star rating, and reply updates. The system analyzes the review's star rating and comment for sentiment, offering suggestions for a thoughtful response. You can also customize the reply to match your style. Once satisfied, simply update and send your response. And that wraps up the Review Reply feature in Smart Showcase for Google Reviews Pro. In our next video, we'll dive into how to enable and test the Review Invite email feature. If you need any help, be sure to check out the full documentation or reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.